Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. So glad that you're here. Well, I'm setting up my horizontal life planner for the week of the 11th through the 17th, and these are the stickers that I possibly will be using. I really wanted to use my Oso paper subscription booklet that recently came in the mail that has some gorgeous, beautiful stickers, but I have a special week that I think I'm a hold off on using that for. In the meantime, I love this beautiful yellow washi tape. I believe it's a Park Lane, which is a Joann's craft store brand. It is gorgeous, and I really wanted something sunshine, fun, and festive to look at in my planner for this particular week. So I decided to use this yellow washi tape, and I'm going to go ahead and use some of my sticker sheets from Oso paper with the mini Eastas on there. In addition, I love this color storybook. I really have not been using it because I just didn't feel it up until now. The bright colors are perfect for what I want to do with this particular layout. And so I decided to go ahead and put down a full box first that was opaque so that it would cover the calendar. So this time I am covering the miniature calendar. And I think if I was to add some of these florals to the box, it would just really give it a nice little pop for when I put down the mini Easter sticker. And I was going to slice it, but I was like, oh, why slice it, Larrissa? Just for the sake of slicing a sticker. And so I decided to just put down a little bit of white out so that the border of the box didn't penetrate the yellow floral sticker because it's sort of transparent. The other flower, it didn't really bother me enough for me to white out that portion. And I think it was better because that's like a peachy pink color. And I think the whiteout would have just been a sore thumb. And so I love this cute little mini Easter with her blue jean jumper on. I think that's just perfect up against the yellow washi floral tape. And then I wanted to use this little peekaboo mini Easter, but I eventually moved that out of the way because it was just in the way. So but I'll probably use it at a later date. It's just hard to use it when you want to do other stuff. And so for Monday, I decided to go ahead and use this Hello Beautiful sticker, and I love it. That's just like a awakening kind of statement to yourself. It's an affirmation, and it's just like, hey girl, you know. So I thought that was really cute. And then I went ahead and added some additional sticker quotes. This one says, don't overthink it, which I really needed this sticker for this particular layout. And then the other one is, you glow girl, you glow girl. So I like these. These stickers, quote stickers, are a little bit oversized, but that's okay. I really like them. And then the other one that I have here is get out of your own way. So I am making a lot of statements to myself because sometimes I do get in my own way and sometimes I do overthink it. But so those are a little bit of quote statements to help me to persevere during the week, which I really think are good quotes to have for myself. And then I wanted to adjust this Hello Beautiful sticker because I wanted to put down this mini Easter. This one is from last year. I think it was like one of her first quote unquote mini Easter that was a fashionista. Each and every doll from that point on had their own outfit, which I think is just cute and adorable. And of course I put down the dots as my task list. Aren't you guys so proud of me? I did not use my bullets first to do my task list first. I talked about that in my last video, how I seem to always do that first, and this time I didn't do it first. So proud of myself. Pat on the back, pat on the back, pat on the back. And so I thought this cute floral box sticker would be very cute to utilize in this spread. Again, the bright colors are there, and I just laid it horizontally, and then I used one of the boxes from this particular colorful box sticker book, but it had like a line going through it, and so I just whited it out. But I don't want that particular streak of whiteout to stick out like a store thumb, and so what I'm now doing is looking through this particular book where I got the floral sticker from, to see if there's like any stickers that I would like to put in this particular box. And I came across this dot stickers today is what it says. Just something simple. Again, don't procrastinate. Do it today. Make it happen. And what I did is I took that black circle sticker with the gold heart, foil heart in it. That's a sticker that I probably will not utilize. And so I just layered the today sticker on top of there, and it covered up a good portion of that whiteout, but it doesn't even bother me. So I like it. And then I decided to go ahead and pull out this mini Easter. She is also from last year. She has on a cute jumpsuit with her little purse. Oh, so cute. And so I decided to use this full box sticker, but it's technically a task list sticker. And so what I did is I cut off the bottom so it wouldn't hang over the page, and I whited out the numbers and placed the mini Easter on top of it. So I thought that was really, really cute, and I like it, but it's just a little bit bare at the bottom. So what I'm doing now is flipping through these stickers to see if there's like anything else that I can add to just boost up the lower part of this page. And so what I decided to do is I decided to go ahead and use some of that yellow floral washi tape that I have at the top and on the other page. And I didn't want it to cover the whole entire bottom for some reason, so I started it under the mini Easter and took it out to the very edge. I didn't want it to be overwhelming. I just wanted to put a pop of color down there, but that way I still have enough room to write in some actual information within that particular box. So I like how that turned out a lot. And then I just used a variety of colored dots. I didn't want the dots to blend into the sticker, so I tried to find something opposite of the color sticker that was laying next to there. So I thought that worked out really well. And now we shall come to this don't overthink it sticker. And guess what? I overthought about it. Overthought. Yeah. Anyway, I did some extra thinking and I decided to move the sticker around. And I also decided to move this You Glow Girl sticker. And what I'm basically trying to do is find balance in the layout. And here I go again, moving that don't overthink it sticker once again because I was overthinking, but I thought it would be good since I had the large mini Easter doll at the bottom to sort of make for sure that the mini Easter doll that I would like to place down on a Saturday was not like right on top of the large mini Easter doll. So I wanted to move all the quotes to one side and then put the mini Easter towards the left side of the page, and I thought that turned out pretty good. And again, I used another floral sticker that was originally a task list sticker, cut off the task list portion and covered the mini Easter at the end of that particular floral sticker on Saturday the 16th. And I liked how that turned out, and now I'm just putting down some additional dot stickers for my task list. And this is turning out really cute. At first I was like, oh, Larrissa, this is going to be too busy, but when I'm in that season of where I want a lot of color and a brightness, I run with it. So I really like it. And then this scooter sticker is from last year as well. I love it because she and her girlfriend is on a scooter. The one riding in the back is taking pictures. And it's like she's taking a picture of her friend, the huge doll sticker that's over there on the right. And so I love it. This is so cute. I'm so happy. And I know that I am going to enjoy this layout all week long. So here's some final looks at the layout. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on your notification bells so that way anytime I go live or post new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this spread. Until the next time, bye.